Hello! Happy Valentine's Day!
Happy Valentine's Day.
Hope you get lots of candy.
Yes. So we got your letters, and we just want to say thank you for them.
They're so cute.
Yes, very
Absolutely.
cute. Great drawings. And we have just finished part 2 of the book where the family and Marlene, they all get to their aunt and uncle's farmhouse, and there's an enemy soldier in the shed.
So we saw in your letters also that you drew us some really pretty pictures. And since you guys are so creative, we wanted to give you an assignment where you can demonstrate that creativity. So in part 2, chapter 3, starting on page 69, we start to see that there is an air raid and the family has to flee with Marlene. So we want you to draw a picture and give us some really good juicy details in that picture of the air raid and what they're doing on their way to find some shelter.
And finally, the last thing we found was an article about World War II. How did an elephant beat the Belfast Blitz? And I know you can't see it, but there's actually a real-life elephant. So we want you to just glance over this article. We'll attach the link to this email or this YouTube link, and then just talk about with your group what it would feel like if you had to flee your house and know that you could never go back home. Mm-hmm. And then see if you see any connections with the article to Elephant in the Garden.
Yes, and we really enjoyed your homework that you gave us, so we actually did it. It's probably going to be backwards, but this is Marlene.
Isn't that elephant so cute?
Yeah. Marlene is in the shed, in the garden, so that's our first little panel, and then we have when they all go into the trees. So there's Carl, there's Muti, and Lizzie, and they're all calling for Marlene. The third one is where the air raid starts to begin, so Dresden gets destroyed, so that's all the fire. We have the fourth one where Carly is riding on Marlene while they're trying to flee with the fire in the background. And then remember when they had to take, there was 2 paths, so they could either go with everybody to where everybody was going, or they could take a shortcut to go to their aunt and uncle's farm. So this is them taking the shortcut, and then this is them getting to their aunt and uncle's farm with the enemy soldier in the shed.
Okay, can't wait to see your pictures and all that you come up with.
Talk to you soon.
Bye.
Bye.